Jobman's Kiosk Mode is a user-friendly and mobile responsive interface. While the Kiosk Mode is intentionally small on features, it's massive on functionality. To access the kiosk, all users must first be issued with a kiosk PIN and have received the link and a temporary PIN to register. Users will be prompted to change the temporary PIN at first time logging, and the link should be bookmarked for easy access. Not all users will have access to all of the kiosk features and functionality, as this is still determined by the permissions set for the user role. The dashboard view in Kiosk Mode shows the agenda screens the user is a member of and recent tasks. From here, users can also view their staff profile, view notifications, and access the in-app help. And to log out, simply click on the arrow icon. One of the key features of Kiosk Mode is agenda screens. This is what provides staff with a daily list of jobs in the order of priority for completion. Jobman schedules by priority and then by date, removing the guesswork for your staff and eliminating what's next downtime. A task can be started from an agenda screen. Simply click on the three dots and select an option. A task that's in progress will show the hourglass timer and the progress tracker will activate. Additional options for task management includes selecting pause for a temporary break and stop if the task is not completed but work has stopped for the day. Select completed only when the task is done. The agenda screen will then update to the next task on the list. Tasks can also be viewed and started from the Tasks tab. From the Jobs tab, users can view and upload shared job files, create and view job alerts, view tasks, and view and complete job picking lists. Click on the Picking List tab in the job file. From here, users can pull job materials from inventory. Select the checkbox if all materials is being retrieved, or click on the quantity field and update. Open the Purchase Order tab and find and select a PO. Click on Receive and check the box for all items or make changes in the quantity field. For partially received items, Jobman will only allow the balance to be received. Remember, help is just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question and search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.